नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I am Dr. Bharat Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Pathology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In this practical session, we will learn about determination of total leukocyte count. Now aim. Determination of total count of leukocytes. Material required: Newbar counting chamber, WBC pipette, watch glass, hemocytometer, cover slip, rectified spirit, lancet, cotton, blood sample, microscope, WBC diluting fluid or Tucker's fluid, which consists of glacial acetic acid to destroy the membrane of RPC and platelets, gential violet to stain nuclei of WBC, and distilled water as a solvent. These are the materials which required. These are W hemocytometer with WBC pipette. This is Newbar chamber. This is the chamber looked into microscope, and this is the WBC pipette which has mouth, bed with the bulb, rubber tubing, stem with the marking of 0.5. Procedure: Blood is drawn as usual from left ring finger and it is sucked exactly up to 0.5 mark of WBC pipette. Any excess blood is wiped out from tip. It is then immediately plunged into Turk's dilution fluid placed in watch glass. The fluid is sucked up to 11 mark while rotating the pipette during process. The tip of pipette is wiped, mixed due to large caliber of pipette. The blood is apt to run out of it, so the pipette should held in horizontal position. Then shake well, holding pipette between the palm and wait for 10 minutes. Dilution. When the diluting fluid is sucked into the pipette, the blood rush into bulb and is followed by the fluid. Hence, in the end there is blood and WBC diluting fluid in the bulb, and only the fluid up to the 1 mark of pipette. Therefore, fluid up to 1 mark does not take part in dilution of fluid. Counting chamber and cover slip are clean, and cover slip is placed on the side pillars and the chamber is charged, and then allow 2 to 3 minutes for the cell to settle down. Within this period, the total WBC cells are settled on the Newbar counting chamber, WBC column or WBC counting square, which are in 4 in numbers. Now calculation method. Volume of 1 square is equals to 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 0.1 is equals to 0.1 millimeter cube. Volume of 4 square is equal to 4 multiplied by 0.1 is equals to 0.4 millimeter cube. 0.4 millimeter cube volume is equals to n number of cells. 1 millimeter cube is equals to n by 0.4 millimeter. N by 0.4. Dilution would be 0.5 ratio 11 minus 1 is equals to 0.5 ratio 10 or 1 by 20 dilution. 1 by 20 dilution is equals to 9 n divided by 0.4, and 1.1 1 ratio 1 dilution is equals to n ratio n divided by 0.4 divided by 1.1 divided by 20. So the n multiplied by 20 divided by 0.4 or is equals to n multiplied by 50 per cubic mm of cube. For an example, WBC count is equals to cell count multiplied by dilution factor divided by area counted in millimeter square multiplied by depth. So 96, if we counted 96 cells, then multiply by dilution factor, which is 20, divided by area counted in 4 chambers multiplied by depth is equals to 0.1. So the total WBC count will be 4800 millimeter cube or 4800 per mu liter, or 4.8 multiplied by 10 to power 3 mu liter, or 4.8 multiplied by 10 to power 9 per liter. Precaution and sources of error in counting. The WBC count by hemocytometer is subject to error which may be any of the following. First, low count. Squeezing the site of puncture when filling the pipette diluted with tissue fluid. B is insufficient blood being drawn into pipette that is less than 0.5 mark. Too much diluting fluid is drawn into pipette that is beyond 11 mark. First few drops are not discarded but used. Blood is not properly mixed. Insufficient filling or air bubble being introduced into the counting chamber during charging, and faulty counting technique and calculations. If the WBC count reads are high, then there would be too much blood being drawn into pipette that is more than 0.5 mark. Insufficient diluting fluid is drawn into the pipette that is less than 11 mark. Cells are not evenly distributed in the counting chamber. Insufficient mixing of blood. Faulty technique of counting, that is cell touching all the borders of the square are counted as being inside the square, and there is overflowing during charging. And last is error in calculation. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. I hope you all enjoyed this session. If you have any query, please mention it in comment box. Thank you.